Welcome to the vlog, you guys. It's a voiceover and I did speed this up. This look took me about 40 minutes. I never usually take this long. I was really nervous this morning just because of how I was feeling, one, and I don't know, I was really nervous. I was genuinely nervous. I didn't prepare. I didn't prepare from the night before. So not preparing from the night before really messed me up. And I had the boys, so I couldn't prepare from the night before. Because if it was me alone, wake up earlier and just sit up and wait for them, because I'm gonna get the boys ready for school. And then on this is the day that I couldn't sleep. That's what I told you guys about in the vlog. Right, did I yesterday? Yeah, in yesterday's vlog. So I couldn't sleep. I performed on 2.5 hours of sleep, or maybe 2 I don't know, hours of sleep. So I barely sleep. So I felt like that had a lot to do with it. So and this setup too is different. If you recognize, she's lower. I have a smaller ring light, and then I have the big ring light at the back. So it's like a 6-inch ring light. It's hella small, and it was my first time using it, and I wasn't able to set it up properly. So I like documenting this side. To me, this is like me journeying again, and I like doing these videos. You know, it shows me as an artist, one. It makes you, if you want to be a client, a little bit more comfortable with me, and you have an idea of how I work and how fast I work. I love this. I love the mistakes I'm making. I love, look, and see how I do our brows differently. I don't do every client the same, and that's something I gotta say when I wanna watch my video them for that month, yeah. That's something I'm gonna say. I just do it different. What I did do, I groomed her brows, I razor it, but I just razor it for the arch. I could have gone higher with her arch and not have her brows so downturned, but that's her natural shape. I could have done it more, but I didn't want to do that because she's her first time wearing makeup. She's not a makeup wearer, and I don't want to heavily arch the lady's brow, and then she don't know for the because she don't wear makeup, or she gonna fix it. So as a makeup artist, I'm very in tune with my clients. If I don't know you, I'm speaking to you. And there's a couple shots that I deliberately went in front of the screen. One, because I wanted to get level with her face. Two, as it tell, like watch out. Oh my God. And then we realized that me and I go to school together, big up Bridgeport, alma mater, ever. Yeah, Miss Kennedy with a nice round shape, also crumb skin, Miss Kennedy, big up herself. I was there when Mr. Messam was there. I don't know, so Mr. Messam rough and so Mr. Messam, wherever you big up yourself, sir, right true. You remember, if you dig up Bridgeport, Mr. Messam with him stick, come on now. I'm no her face, you know. I couldn't remember what she said. Bridgeport, Mr. Blood Cleanse. I this to blood cleanse. That's my member from. So yeah, I'm not quite sure what else to say about this. I really low-key want to sleep. I'm just talking to them. I can just watch. Oh, I speed it up. I said that? Okay, good. Yeah, I really want to sleep. As I left for today, because remember, I said today for me, at the 31st of October, you see me? So now today, I will make care of the boys, I'm go to school, and then now I just want to sleep. But I can't come here and edit that video. This is the second video I'm editing for today. The good thing is, I'm not going to have the boys tomorrow, so I can sleep. The more amazing thing is, no, I'm going to leave that for the other vlog. So I have something amazing planned for the 3rd of November, but I'm not going to say what it is as yet until the 3rd of November, where you guys see it happening and stuff. But yeah, so update. Can I update you guys on POMI? Okay, so anxiety wise, but rotted, why I couldn't sleep. Alright then, no. So I could not sleep because I was up thinking, and that tends to happen to me. Whenever I'm up thinking, I can't sleep. And last night or whatever, the night before this, it was difficult for me to do. So yeah, I forgot what I was saying because I paused the voice note and I'm continuing. My bad. Was I talking about while I wasn't sleeping? Most. If you hear something scratching, like that scratching sound, I'm moving the clip along, and I have nails on. So my apologies. Yeah, I was thinking about POMI. When they come, marketing strategies. I have so much that I was thinking about last night. The boys. There's a lot of changes that you guys don't know about, that it will keep anybody up at night. Well, I don't know about father, but mothers, oh yeah, fathers, it will keep you up at night. Aunties, uncles, and that's the last time I was legit just brainstorming, you know. Like, may I try to put the words in my mouth for telling and explain, but it really sounded like I was just brainstorming, and it was legit just pour me. Them listen to, because I miss out 3 days out of my devotional, so I'm listening after 3 days. Them now I'm drop asleep with it. Blood cleanse. Your girl stayed up. My mind was restless last night, so that's the reason for my anxiety this morning. This makeup look, I love her eyes. I love the lashes. Baby, like she, oh my god, I have to do her makeup again. I love it so much. I love it. And I primed her face and I set her face with powder because it's her graduation makeup. I don't know if I said that. Graduation makeup. As well as more she can wear it throughout the day. No, graduation makeup as well as she sweats a lot. Now the sweating I can't help as an artist. That's just you remember I have hyperhidrosis, so you know, I know. So when I go see, so in a video my girl sure over pat on her face with Antoil. I don't know if that's ghetto. Is it me? But yeah, and in this, oh my god, a huge blunder happened in this video, and they actually talk about it. So when you watch the video, I'm not gonna say, but there's just, and even that's why I was up, because I was thinking about her, and there's a lot of things that I feel very ill-prepared for as a makeup artist, and I have to keep on pulling myself out of that and stop thinking like that, because baby, we just do it over. Is it me? So me need to stop pressure myself. I'm definitely my very own worst critic. Definitely. Blood cleanse. You know, so this morning, guys, when I wake up, no matter 9 in my eye. You know, no, but I'm going to talk about it. You know, so when you sleep, right? So yeah, sleep, and so the matter get answer, okay, you're restful, I even up out like a lie. Mama to I'm not sleep, not even matter in my eye. This morning, me wake up, wake up ready for see it, and not even matter in my eye. Ah, I loved her makeup look. But it was, oh my god, I love my clients. I love my god almighty clients, because you guys don't even feel like clients, bro. It's because I want to know comfortable, my level with Onina. Because I want to know comfortable. I don't know. I'm not even know say at first time of the makeup. I said blood cleanse. If I had known it was the first time, I'd have never gone this dark. I was a little bit skeptical about that, but she liked it. But you know how we are as artists, you know, you might like it, but if me not like it, it don't look good. I'ma never like somebody goes for dark pan for your first time, you know. I love for pan our second time, but what my god is what I'm gonna do makeup again. I'm gonna do makeup again. I'm gonna do makeup again for November. What you know, I live now, and I'm almost a friend. My god, and I'm a schoolmate basically. So my god. I hope nobody was offended when I said friend, because you know you guys know I have a thing with friends and stuff, so you know it takes a lot, but we had amazing conversations, isn't me? So yeah, so I'm going to invite her on my channel to do her makeup again for you guys so you can see a difference. And I want to do my mommy's makeup on my channel, grandma makeup, because them they writer so, and them closer to me can do them the quick and pump them out the phone now. So I mix that, and then the people who want to bring her now are people who want help with for them business, isn't me? So make us see. Naru is always busy, because I don't want them people them want the face, with my nails, narrow face, with my lashes and my skin. I'm wonder what Shamika. Shamika is just my waxologist. She is a makeup artist. So it's like I don't know if she'd agree, and she's so damn busy too. My blood cleanse. Yeah, someone want to work with them people there, isn't me? Just and then because them closer to it's content, and I want to do Namaste's makeup too, because I'm filming content with her, but I don't know if that's going to do. Oh, God, I'm drained. I'm tired. Okay, so I hope you guys don't mind me stop doing the voiceover now and then play music. Do you mind, especially since I'm speeding it up? Somebody commented that I need to start putting the products in the description. I said, okay, my love, and I don't know why I said that. I don't want to do that. I don't want blood cleanse to do that. You know how much time that? I don't think people understand them and ask me for the ask me. They feel like me as a regular YouTuber and I'm supposed to, because that's my job. No, baby, the boys are my job, and this is what I'm doing so that I can take care of my job. Pour me. Yeah, the belts, so my focus pan now. Yeah, the brush them, the lash them, the brush holders. Jesus Christ, you guys. I have brush holders that come. I don't think I've spoken about it enough. The brush holders are limited amount. I don't want to say limited edition, but it is very limited. And when those are sold out, wait, I don't think we will be. I'll have to see how the brush holders do on market. I've never done brush holders, and brush holders is so flipping practical, but it is so too like 2000s, you know, and that's so annoying because it's practical, and the brush holders that we'll be carrying, oh my gosh, you guys, our logo is engraved. You wanna not even understand the money to blood cleanse. I wanna even understand, brother. I want to get good something where it for cost me, because me have the amount of business them we can match up back for make back that money there. It should not cost uno, because I know for no nah. That just know some I understand, and POMI will be a luxury brand, but I need it to be accessible. I want it accessible, dog. And I just that me at the pan because some talk too, you know. God, even and that's my heart. That's just my heart, and I cannot speak but believe on me. Say me at work. I am. It's boy. I don't know. But thank you guys for allowing me to be me. Thank you guys for listening these rambly voiceovers. This is me just talk. Look at her goddamn face. God almighty, she's pretty. God, and she has like an like an oblong face. God, so sexy. Yeah, so you can see that her neck is definitely, I mean, her face is definitely lighter than her neck. That is done by design. She's wearing white and she'll be wearing something over. So the makeup is done for the outfit that she's going to be wearing to cover up or whatever. But I did go ahead and I blended down, but that's after, because she have on white and I like go down and blend down on white. What else do I have to say? The palette I'm using is the Morphe James Charles palette. Do not recommend, do not recommend, do not bite, do not recommend, do not recommend. This is just the palette I have on hand. Do not recommend. The colors are no. Juvia's Place, you're better off. Yeah, completely better off with Juvia's Place, because that's the brand that I've been using for years that I have to match. Blood Cleanse, Gael Cosmetics. Oh God, way better pigmentation. Oh yeah. Me should I say Gael first, you know, because them work with them and I work, you see me? But yeah. No. I want to look if I don't color them just look dull. But I want a white man make it. No offense, I'm not trying to be that word. But I really thought me I tell her, and it was made by a white man in a them time. The James Charles white, him white, you see me? So it pan film skin it a go pop, not pan our melanated skin, sir. I don't remember what I was saying. Sorry. I'm sorry, guys. This is like a vlog style. All these makeups are going to be vlog style. Isn't it? I'm still working on my craft and creating content, and it's vlog style because I know that life happens and I don't want to be stressed with having a quote unquote perfect video, you know what I mean? So that's why I want to do this vlog style. It's easier for me. This genuinely, Lord God, easy at hard, but as in, you know what I mean? Like yeah. So because remember the jelly them running, everything running, is it? So it can't be perfect, and I don't want. Anyway, we can move on. Sometimes I feel like I repeat myself and you guys get bored. Blouse and skirt high. You guys, at this count, I have 67 new subscribers. I know you're like, 67? Guys, but remember I was telling you, I've been losing you guys by hundreds. Like every week, I lose like 100 and something. Every week, bro. 67. Oh, thank you so much. 67, and that's the other reason why I'm doing my videos for November. One, my YouTube money not reaching I want it to reach yet, isn't me? Because we're working on a goal. Smile Bright, that's right behind her. Smile Bright is what I'm going to be using to buy my camera. Remember, I said that gives the YouTube money. If you want me to do a video on telling you how much I make from YouTube and the work I've been putting in, you know, say the video them. Alright, 1 month $100 I get. I'm telling you for right now to blood cleanse. $100 I get. And because a bank transfer, Scotia take them charge out there. Probably $3 so depending on how much you get. I think them take a percentage, right? You see me? So them take for them cut, and plus for transfer. No, it's a wire transfer. I don't think there's a charge for wire, just for Scotia alone, right? So yeah, 100 and add one next month, 200 and add, 300 and add. You see, for October, October we gone $100. No lie, $300. Blood cleanser, $200 me get. 200 and add. But you see, since I start this, guys, I'm gonna tell you how much in there, yeah? I'm gonna tell you now. It not gonna be enough to uno, but for me, dog, it motivated me. When I start some money go up like $50, I know it reached $500. Brother, in my mind, if I continue pushing out these videos, I can reach 1,000. Is it me? I have to hold my hand on putting on lashes because my hands shake. Yeah, and I don't use liner. And let me tell you why I don't use liner. For her eye type, I would have to line a particular way to lift her face. It's still graduation makeup. I didn't want to do full glam for that. So I did her, I contoured the out of her face for grad make, for photography makeup. I've said this before, but there's a difference with photography makeup, video makeup, and also day-to-day makeup. Is it me like everyday, like non-recorded makeup? So like 3 type of makeup sets. Plus, they have more. They never think about the morning, the type of event, the lighting of the event. I mean, if it's morning, afternoon, dusk, evening, night, it's that comes into play. You guys, oh my god, it's pressure. Okay, please don't be mistaken, it is pressure doing people's makeup. I mean, that say to her today, I say really pressurizing, because it's like even if them know you say you want to anything, dog, I still some of the face me go up on, brother. Me have to make sure I'm sitting them clean, wash and put down and sanitize. No, brother, it. And then I have nails, and in my mind, you're thinking about that. So I have to work where you're comfortable. Is it me? It's just a lot. Is it me? So, yes, so I'm working on that for November, for this content for November. So, woo, that's it. I feel like I had brain fog a while ago. Like, I talk about a whole heap of different things. I love an orange blush on dark skin. Ooh, it looks so good. Orange and dark skin, it's beautiful. You guys, I think I'm going to stop talking again. I said that about 10 minutes ago. Oh, I'm using Gaelle's. Look at Gaelle, her rose highlights. And I wanted to make mention of it, but I never did intend to speed up. But when I see the time I message, I don't know if I'll be able to talk that much. Yes, remember, just speed it up. Because when I put all these clips in, it was 49 minutes. And that's every single clip. And that... Yeah, into the end of the video. And at the end of the video, I think her makeup took, how many is a 40 or so? I feel like I'm rambling. I'm going to stop talking. I really feel like I'm rambling. 17, 18, 19, 20, 24. So 6 minutes to leave. That's not long. Oh, no, 6 minutes. A little bit of time left. Come in and say, blood cleanse after this mouth. No, I can't go and talk. Hold on. I'm going to scroll and look at the next clip. Sorry. Yeah, after this talking. Oh no, after this I want next speed up clip and then talking. Sorry, yeah. Right, yeah. Love His mercy. I love you guys. I know I'm stop talking, done. I love you guys though. I'm gonna play look at music, but I'm gonna start by talking at the clip them here. Thank you so much for those of you who have subscribed. And yo, the commenters, mad respect. Mad respect to the commenters, because it takes balls to comment on a video, because you really hope that the person will at least see your comment. Is it me? And you're hoping that people don't feel like you're commenting to get the person's attention. I don't know if I'm thinking too much mental healthily, but that's what I go through when I'm coming like, sometimes I want to comment, yeah, good one answer, but I'm so afraid because I don't want them to think that I'm being, too rude or lewd or too vulgar, or another black girl being loud. You know what I mean? So I just take my little time and comment nicely, but it's upon my channel, upon my page. What are the things them? I love this. I love this. Jesus, this woman. And I hate the angle. That's what's messing me up in this video, the angle. So yeah, so we're not using that ring light again. And if I'm using it, I have to use a higher table, like something higher, like I forgot stack boxes to rest them on. The next time I got the makeup at the yard, I'm gonna show you, bro, is a whole Jimmy rig setup I set up. Is it me when I did client makeup? Is it me? Oh, her husband came. Real Mo Steel, and I used Sasha Cosmetics, found at Mirror JA, and I use Gaelle Cosmetics at GaelleCosmetics.com. Gaelle is spelled Gaelle. Gaelle. Wanna get my tongue and lick on my teeth? No? Okay, good. Oh, gloss. You guys, I do have a gloss. I have to go and buy a gloss because I really wanted this look to be glossy, and I don't have a gloss. The gloss what I have is not for clients because it was, but then it's no more. But then turned up to like a shit glass from the glass sometimes it goes everywhere. Yeah, no. I need to get a nice good glass. And look, she's sweating. You see, she was sweating while doing her makeup. I don't let that face me at all because I know what I'm doing. I'm sorry, but I know what I'm doing and I know her makeup not gonna move. I know, God, her lips are so nice and full too. Epic client. I'm gonna play music now. Alright, guys, deuces.
Swipe up, tag your friends, like and subscribe, comment below. If I make this follow, don't let this flop, wait till the end, like for part 2. I'm going viral, viral. Virtual this, virtual that, I'm on my virtual shit. Virtual dick, virtual bitch, yeah we be getting it in. Virtual swigs, virtual lit, I'm getting to with my friends. Everything virtual now, but just wait till then. Hit me when it's happy hour, all day. Me and my bees go sour, looking good in PJs, that's my superpower. Growing out all my hair, working on my self-care. This time we got rare, I'ma do it up with flair. Cause what a time to be alive. We can still link while we're inside. Zoom in and hit me with the invite. But when this thing is over, we gon' get in life. Virtual this, virtual that, I'm on my virtual shit. Virtual dick, virtual bitch, yeah we be getting it in. Virtual swigs, virtual lit, I'm getting to with my friends. Everything virtual now, but just wait till then.
Until we back in action, I'm posted like I'm in traffic. It's tragic the way they trick them terrifically, working magic. Finally ain't no traffic, a break from chemical plastics. Burning buds to the ashes, we virtually getting blasted. Bow.
Cause what a time to be alive.
My digger.
We can still link while we're inside. Zoom in and hit me with the invite.
Okay.
But when this thing is over.
Y'all, I'm a pro them on a blood cleanse. I thought me do one more stuff. Hey, you look good. Oh my God. Hold your head down, hold your head down. Yes. Oh my God. It looks so good. Wait, no. Alright. Alright, so here you go. Here's the reveal. I really hope you like it. Yeah. Is it too much? It's too heavy on the eyes? Yeah. Okay, I was worried about the eyes.
Alright, cool.
I want your work go up. I don't want you have on the makeup and you have to go again. You know, you have to wipe it off. I want, you know, if I go somewhere. No look can be translated. You have to work on it? No. Hey, me that's sorry for you.
That's our
oh my God. Hold it down. Oh, girl, it's nice. I love it so much. Okay. Guys, I messed up her dress. No, I have to show them through my vlog. I make them know say yes. I'm gonna need to buy one babe. Wait, name apron. I'm gonna need to buy one apron here. We're done. We're done. I love it. 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 Her brows are thick as hell. I personally love that, and I love the depth in her eyes, the lashes. She looks so good. What is it? We're Antoil. Alright, this is yours. But any Antoil I have in an artist I'm using and wipe off my feet, pat down my face. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Blood cleanse. And I bought a big pan of blood cleanse back as in a babes. You can't sex in a makeup here. The whole of your pillow gonna mess up. Take off your pillow case. Hi, princess. I'm so happy. Her makeup is so nice. I'm happy. Mama, I'm not sleep yet now. So I'm gonna bomb out my feel it now to shit. After 10, 2 o'clock school done. Mama, I know I feel like my body will come down. Buy one for true. The whole is something mess up. The whole light. I forgot about expressing my over from the beginning. You like it? Look nice.